Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're not receiving a verification code from Instagram, this issue is usually related to your network or your contact information. First, check that your phone has a strong signal and can receive text messages. After that, make sure that your phone number or email link to your Instagram account is correct. Then wait at least 1 minute before requesting another code, as sending multiple requests too quickly can cause delays, and that's it. After that, head over to your Gmail app. Then click on the three-line option in the top right corner, scroll down, then go to trash or spam account if you do not see the email sent in the primary section. Then swipe down from your bottom of your screen, then turn airplane mode on and wait for a few seconds, then turn it back off. This will refresh your network connection. If you're using two-factor authentication through the Authentication app, make sure that the app is synced properly. If the code still does not arrive, try logging in through a web browser or choose a different verification method if available. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.